Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei Nova 11 device, and now I can show you how to install Google applications, how to install applications from the Play Store, and how to install the Play Store on this device. So it's very easy to do. First you need to open the App Store, App Gallery, so sorry. Click skip, install, cool. Now find the search line here and find here G space. Of course, if you wanna use Google applications for every day, it's not a good idea to use G space for it. You just need to find just a normal Android device with Google services. But if you like your Huawei device and you don't need to use Google services for every day, so you don't, so you can use this method to open Google applications. Yes, so open this app, click install Google services, wait a while. Click enable, allow app installs, enable, go back. Click on these necessary permissions, click enable, disable, go back. Cool, now click on the 3 lines button, choose Google accounts, add Google account, wait a while, enter your email, click next. Next, I agree. Wait a while, click accept. Cool, now go back. Find the application you wanna install. For example, wait a while until Google Play Store will open. Click skip ad if you see the ad on your screen. That's cool. We have opened the Google Play Store and we can use it in the way we want. So you can install any application you want. For example, what you wanna install on your device. For example, you wanna install Google Play Games. Of course, you can't use Google Pay, but for example, you wanna install Play Games. So just click install. I have not tested Google Play Games on the device, but I hope it will work. Yes, it works. So as you can see, it works, and it works very good. So here we have all applications with the progress of our in our games. So it works great. So I suggest this video will help you. And now, of course, when you have installed the Google Play Games, for example, you just need to click and hold on it, click create a shortcut, add. And then you will have the shortcut for Google Play Games here. Of course, you need to pay for removing ads, but if you want to open application, you can wait 5 seconds. Okay, so cool. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.